How to change vehicle logos on Autel IM508/IM608. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. Here's how to change vehicle logos on Autel MaxiIM IM508/IM608 tablets, using a USB drive to load the new logo files. Requirements: USB drive. PNG files of vehicle logos, Kia logo in this example. Procedure: 1. Get the logo PNG file. Download the required PNG logo files to your USB drive. 2. Insert USB drive. Plug the USB drive into the USB port on the IM508/IM608 tablet. 3. Access Android homepage. On the tablet, go to the Android homepage. Open ES File Explorer. 4. Copy the logo file. In ES File Explorer, go to USB, the location of your USB drive. Locate the Kia logo or any other logo you want to change. Press and hold the icon for the logo, and then select Copy. 5. Paste the new logo. Navigate back in ES File Explorer. Go to Home, then go to Scan Vehicle IMMO, Asia Kia. Paste the copied Kia logo in this directory. 6. Delete the original logo. In the same folder, find the original Kia logo named carnifm.png. Delete this file. 7. Rename the new logo. Rename the new Kia logo to carnifm.png. 8. Restart the software. Exit to the home screen and press MaxiIM to initialize the software and data. Once done, the new Kia logo will be loaded into the IMMO software on your Autel MaxiIM tablet. Note: IM508 might not yet support this feature as reported. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.